Hello, my name is Vaishvi Coach Bella. I live in London. I have been taking classes from Coach Young with my teacher, Miss Rowley Sharma. This is a game I created called Enemy Maze. In this game, you have three lives and 4 levels. If you want to get a higher score, then you have to collect points. If you accidentally touch the lava or the enemy, then you lose a life. If your lives go to 0, then the game is over. If you want to go to the next level, then you have to go through the portal. Let me show you how to play it. You have to click the right arrow and another arrow. For example, let's say the up arrow if you want to jump. If you click on the space key, it doesn't work. I will only be playing until level 2, and once I get to level 3, I will stop. There is also a sliding bridge to get you from a different platform. I will show you what will happen if I accidentally touch the enemy. Here, the game is over now.